Hello and welcome to another section of Pack With Me for Thailand. A couple of things. This is a new camera, or not a new camera. This is new for me. This is 𝐅𝐻𝐋𝐋𝐖 heavy duty big ass lens camera. This is much bigger than my camera. I have packed away my camera. It's in the storage and the plan is to take this one with us. And I'm not gonna lie, I've never used this before. I have no idea how to use it. I am at least recording, I hope. And yeah, we're gonna have to go on with it. I know that this is much better than my camera if you know how to use it, but yeah, maybe you like this quality much more. The other thing, I have hair. I have long hair again. If you haven't seen my shorts, I removed my extensions and now I have this ponytail that I bought for whenever I miss my old ponytail. Anyways, this is the last part where I choose and pack stuff for my 3-month trip. So in this section we are doing skincare. Now, one thing I'm gonna tell you already, I'm gonna be taking a lot of stuff and full-size stuff. And the reason being is, first of all, I am not sure what can I find there. I know that obviously there's a lot of stuff there, but I would like to use products that I'm used to, that I know and I like. And also I'm gonna be away for a while, and why buy new stuff when I already have a bunch of stuff here, which if I don't use in 3 months, some of them might expire. Hopefully I'm gonna use up some of the stuff and I don't have to carry them back with me. My girl math is it's only one-way trip for most of these products, okay? Now if I buy more stuff there, that's a different math, okay? We're not doing that math today. Okay, so let's start. I'm gonna go over very fast the haul that I did recently in my shorts. If you haven't seen it, I have them right here. By the way, it's T-5 days. We're leaving on Saturday. I have still, the stress is elevating. I'm trying to film as much content as I can before I leave, and I still have a bunch of stuff to pack, and we also have to wash the apartment and to travel. So pray for me. Anyways, okay, let's get into it. Obviously, one of the things that I'm gonna be taking a lot of is sunscreen. And remember, I'm not only taking products for me, I'm also taking products for Ali, because he's gonna fill his suitcase with electronics, so I have to take the skincare stuff. First of all, I have this sunscreen, body sunscreen. This is the �𝐋𝐋𝐋𝐖 Sun Spray SPF 30. I love this brand, it's affordable and it's really nice and moisturizing and very hydrating to the skin. I use this pretty much all summer here in Norway. You don't need that much sunscreen, but I feel like I've used, there's about half of it left, so this is definitely going to be an empty over there. And I also bought this one. This is also same brand and also SPF 30. So this is sunscreen for the body, and I have one more sunscreen for the body because listen, we're not getting burned this time. Those who know know. I decided to try this one for old time's sake. This is a Hawaiian Silk Hydration. This is SPF 50. The only reason why I got this is because I used to have it before and I love the way it smells. So yeah, nostalgia. We have 2 full bottles of body sunscreen and 1/2. I think we're gonna have enough for 3 months. And if not, I'm sure Sephora has sunscreen. The reason why we're taking so much sunscreen is, first of all, I know these brands and I trust them. And also, I've heard that most of the sunscreens there have some bleach in them. So I don't know if that's still the case, but just in case, I'm taking sunscreen from home. Moving on to face sunscreen. I have 2 bottles that I've already started. They're half finished, one could say. This is the 𝐼𝐻𝐿𝐼 Hyaluronic Acid Watery Sun Gel. This has become one of my favorite sunscreens. It's watery, as it says. Super lightweight. It doesn't have white cast. Very nice to use, especially underneath the makeup. SPF 50, of course, for the face. Also this Naturium Dew Glow Moisturizer SPF 50. This is moisturizer and sunscreen in one. This is a little bit thicker, so yeah, this is like a typical sunscreening feel to it, I guess. It smells nice. Those 2, and I also have one backup of this one. That's free. I also tried this one from 𝐼𝐻𝐿𝐼. Again, this is a stick sunscreen. I actually got it for Ali to encourage him to use more often. You can take it with you. He didn't really love it, to be honest, but I can see myself throwing this in the beach bag to reapply. I don't know. Honestly, I just wanted to try it. So that is 4, and we have one more. This is new for me. I've never tried this before, but this is a very hyped up product. This is the Beauty of Jason Relief Sun Rice and Probiotics SPF 50. Everybody loves this sunscreen, so I thought I should try it. And one last one of my go-to sunscreens. This is the 𝐼𝐻𝐋𝐋𝐖 Aloe Soothing Sun Cream SPF 50. This is great for sensitive skin. It gives you a lot of hydration. Even if you don't have sensitive skin and you have a tiny bit of a sunburn, I guess, or you see some redness, if you apply this, except from protecting you, it will also soothe your skin. I have seen this in action, people. I think that this is definitely enough face sunscreen for 2 people. For 6. Okay, moving on. I also have one moisturizer from 𝐼𝐻𝐋𝐋𝐖. This is a hyaluronic acid aqua gel cream. Now, I used to have this in the thicker version, the moisture cream, I think it's called, and I love that for the winter. It's very rich and moisturizing. I've actually gone through 2 or 3 of them, but I've never tried the aqua gel cream. I'm guessing this is supposed to be, I haven't opened it yet. This is supposed to be lighter, so I thought this should be nice. Okay, I don't think, oh yeah, wait. We have more sunscreen. I told you I'm not getting burned this time. Last time I was in Thailand, we went on a boat trip. We were out in the sun for 5 hours, I believe, in and out of water, and we only applied sunscreen once. Yeah, so this time it ain't happening. So I also got this spray sunscreen. This is the Garnier Over Makeup Super UV. This was popular on TikTok. I honestly don't like it personally, but I have it, and it's important to reapply sunscreen if you have makeup. So yeah, I'm taking it to use it up mostly. That's 7. Okay, I'm going to my bathroom and continue there. I'm gonna take my day-to-day skincare. Let's see what I'm gonna take with me. Okay, we're in my bathroom. I am so sorry about the lighting. I can't do much about it. And also, this is kind of embarrassing, okay? We're cleaning everything up at the end. I'm not bothering to clean anything right now, so please bear with me. I hope I don't look back at the footage and I'm like, bro. Anyways, yeah, this is clearly not my side. This is my side, as much as you can see anyway. Yeah, I'm gonna start separating products. I'm gonna finish with my skincare and then we're gonna move on to hair care. Okay, moisturizers. We have this e.l.f. Holy Hydration Hydro Gel Moisturizer. I actually have about this much left. I use this every day. Honestly, I don't have that many moisturizers. I have that one full size that I haven't opened yet that I showed you. I have this. I have this and this, which is also halfway use. Moisturizer, I think I'm gonna have to buy there, but then again, that's not super difficult to buy. Yeah, this is very nice, very simple. e.l.f. is affordable. It applies really nicely, so simple as that. There's that. Then for nighttime, I'm gonna be taking this Beauty of Joseon. This is a glass jar. It's gonna be a bit heavy. Beauty of Joseon Dynasty Cream Moisturizer. It looks like this. Honestly, I liked it. I really like it for the night. It's a bit pricey, and I guess it doesn't have too much inside, but I like it. I don't have much to say. This is not a review, but I'm taking this with me, and that's all the moisturizers. Now I have one almost empty Naturium Multi Bright blah 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 serum. I'm hoping to finish it this week, so I'm not taking it with me. I don't think I'm gonna be taking this big Paula's Choice serum. I don't use it that much, to be honest. I use it maybe every other night or something. I prefer to use retinol. Speaking of, I'm gonna be taking with me this Naturium Retinaldehyde Cream Serum. This is basically a little bit stronger than the normal retinol that you would get. It is an over-the-counter product, but it's a bit stronger. That's all I know. My skin tone rate is just fine. It's 0.05% of retinaldehyde. I'm taking it with me. I don't have too much left, but I love this product, so I'm gonna be taking it with me. I love my retinol. But then I actually got this for Ali, but he hasn't been using it. So this is the Inkey List 1% retinol serum. I've actually used 2 other retinols from Inkey List, 2 bottles of the same product, but this says 1%, so I'm guessing this is stronger than the previous one. So after I use this one, I'm gonna be using this one. I'm gonna maybe not use retinol as often because the sun is stronger there, so we shall see. But I do need some retinol to have with me. There goes for retinol. I'm gonna take this big bottle of cleanser. This is a niacinamide cleansing gelée from Naturium. I really love this product. I know it's half empty. I don't know if I'm going to maybe put it in another bottle, but I love that it has the pump. This has lasted me for a very long time, so I believe this will last for the full 3 months that will be there. And Ali uses this too. I caught him once and it's like, what was I not supposed to use it? Anyway, so I know it's a big bottle, but I'm gonna be taking it. Now I have some travel sizes that I will be taking with me. I don't think I'm gonna take this one with me. This is a hyaluronic acid serum. It doesn't have much left because I've used some, but honestly I don't really use a separate hyaluronic acid serum anymore. I just have other products that do the job for me, and I don't necessarily feel like I need one separate. Anyways, I'm taking some of my Bioderma micellar water because I use it from time to time. I'm gonna be filling this in this bottle. This also has some of this because I feel like the Garnier micellar mini travel bottle is slimmer than the actual. I used to have the mini travel of this one before and I prefer this one. So I bought this, I used it up, and then I filled it with this. So I'm gonna be taking this, but in this bottle. Oh yeah, cleansing balm. I'm taking this one again from Beauty of Jazan. I've used a little bit of this because I don't have anything else at the moment, but I also got a backup which I'm gonna be taking with me. What else we have here? I'm gonna be taking, this is almost empty. I might be taking this Desi Mask On Overnight Moisture Mask just to use it before I travel, I guess, to apply it before I go into the plane because it's almost empty. I really like the packaging so that it has an extra layer of protection so that the dry air of the plane doesn't do anything to my skin. I don't want to throw it away. Okay, we have a travel size of the Clinique Take the Day Off makeup remover. I mean, I have it, why not? It's nice to have. Doesn't take that much space. And also, since I'm not taking the Paula's Choice exfoliating toner, I'm gonna be taking this travel size of the COSRX AHA BHA Clarifying Treatment Toner. I've actually never tried this before and I know it's popular, and yeah, it's gonna be interesting to try this one. When I get there, I know I'm gonna buy the Glow Recipe exfoliating toner. I love that stuff, and I only have travel size, which actually broke. It was a glass bottle and it broke, so I'm definitely looking forward to buying that one. So I believe that this one is gonna be enough for me. I'm also gonna be taking mostly travel size and full size because we're gonna be doing a little bit of traveling like here and there, so I don't want to have my full size products everywhere for like a weekend trip or something. Moving on, I don't think I want to take anything else from here. I think that's it for skincare actually. It's not that bad as I thought. I'm taking my one face mask to use it when I arrive there after a 2-day-ish flight. And I'm gonna be taking some eye patches because why not? I think that's it actually. Okay, let's move on to hair care. Hair care. I'm gonna break something with this hair. I'm definitely taking this Color Wow, what is it called? Dream Coat. This is a supernatural spray. This is supposed to be the holy grail for humidity. I know it's gonna be quite humid there. My hair, not this, but my hair with humidity do not go well. I'm taking a full bottle and I have a mini somewhere. I'm taking 2. I have a hair oil, not that much left actually, in this Ole Henriksen mini travel size serum bottle. Yeah, it's nice to have a hair oil. This doesn't have much left. You're saying. I am taking this mousse, so when I style my hair it lasts longer. It's not that big. And I am taking, don't fall. I'm taking this, it's a 10 Miracle Living, but in a mini size. I'll show you later probably. I'm not taking this full ass bottle, it's too much. I might or might not be taking this Olaplex Bond Protector Nourishing Hair Serum because I'm gonna be a lot in the sun and in salt/chlorine water. It's nice to give the hydration back, so I think I'm gonna take this with me. That's it from here. Should I take it? This is a salt spray. I barely use it. I don't think I'm gonna take this one with me. I wanna have a lot of salt in the ocean. That's it. I think I'm gonna show you now my mini size products that I'm gonna take with me. Let's continue then. So this is my skincare travel bag and it needs sorting. I have a bunch of minis basically. I have this mini Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask, which actually has some of my... Before we continue, let's do some more hair care products that I have right here. As I was saying, in this one I'm gonna have this hair gel, but I'm not taking this whole thing because I don't do slick hairstyles that often, so I think in this one it's gonna be enough, and if I need more I can, I don't know, find something there. I'm taking a full bottle of hairspray. I don't have a mini one and I would like to have some with me. I have this one already, so whatever, I'm taking this one with me. I'm not taking that many full-size bottles, I guess. It's less than I expected. And also one more full-size size thing is this one. This is the Oasis by Schwarzkopf. This is basically a heat protectant. I've recently bought it. It has a lot of it and I need a heat protectant. I'm taking this one with me. Then two mini products. We have dry shampoo. This is the Briogeo Scalp Revival dry shampoo, which actually I have some, some leftovers from my lash powder dry shampoo, and I really like the bottle of this. That's why I put it here. It's easier to use and it has quite a bit. It's powder. It lasts a lot longer than a spray dry shampoo, so that's gonna be enough. Doesn't take too much space. The last, I believe, hair product that I'm taking is this Living Proof Instant Defreezer. I found this one at the airport. It is quite a cool product and it works. It's not perfect, but it works quite well, and I think I'm gonna get the full size of this, especially now that I'm going to a place with humidity. I'm gonna need defreezers. Okay, well, I guess I do have one travel size hairspray. I'm gonna be taking this one too because, again, when I travel to short weekend trips or something, I'm gonna probably need something like this. Next, I have a face cleanser. This is the Estee Lauder Perfectly Clean Face Cleanser, which I actually got as a gift when I bought something, and honestly, I don't like this. This stings my eyes. You need very little amount of it. It's quite foamy, a little bit drying, but it works, and since I have it, I want to use it up. I'm taking this jet lag mask from Summer Fridays. It's a travel size, by the way. I didn't really like this in the beginning when I first got it. I felt it didn't do much for my skin, but then when I used it quite a while later, I actually ended up liking it. It doesn't have much left. I believe I can definitely use it after my flight. Okay, another intense drink up intensive overnight hydrating mask. I'm gonna take this one for the only reason of using it up, because I used to love this product before, but I don't like it as much anymore and I just want to get rid of it. We have a travel size of the Glow Recipe Watermelon Niacinamide Dewdrop. I really like those. Makes your skin really glowy. These are nice to have. What else? This is a mini size of the Satin Keratin Mask and the mini size of the Color Wow thing. I have another liquid face soap from Clinique. Again, we're two people. He might also be using my skincare. One more cleanser. I'll never run out of cleansers, I guess. A mini moisturizer. This is the 𝐼𝐻𝐋𝐋𝐿 Beta Glucan Daily Moisture Cream. Honestly, I didn't like this. It felt too jelly for me. It has some left. It's nice for trips and why not. A mini eye cream. This is the Origins Ginseng. Honestly, I just have this thing, so I'm gonna take them and use them up. That's my reasoning. I don't like throwing things away. Speaking of eye cream, I'm taking this one, which I quite like actually. This is the Inkey Caffeine Eye Cream. It's really nice for underneath the makeup. Yeah, it has caffeine in the morning. It's supposed to depuff and stuff like that. It's very thin. It applies nicely underneath the makeup, so this comes with me. I have a sunscreen, mini sunscreen. This is a Paula's Choice Super Light Daily Wrinkle Defense. This is SPF 30. Whatever. Taking it with me. And then we have some bottles that I have filled up. One with face cleanser, one with cleansing oil. I have a mini Clinique All About Eyes eye cream. Reduces circles and puffs. I've never tried this before. This is new for me, and yeah, it's coming with me. And also a mini Clinique Moisture Surge 100-hour auto-replenishing hydrator. Also coming with me. I'm gonna try to use up the older products first so that I can throw the packaging away and then move on to the nicer newer one. And I have some questionable eye makeup remover. I might throw this away. And last thing that I have is the Glow Recipe Plum Hyaluronic Serum. It's cute, right? I'm taking it with me. I believe that was everything. We will see how much space they will take altogether. Well, except from the sunscreen part, everything else I think it's going to be okay space-wise. I don't think it's gonna be as bad as I thought. Try to distribute the weight between us two. Okay, I think that's it for now. And yeah, I hope this quality wasn't too bad. I don't know when I'll see you again. I think that's everything for the packing video. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this was interesting. And next time I talk to you, it will be from Thailand. I'm super excited, but this week is very stressful. So yeah, okay, then bye.